So quick, where are they? Where are they? This morning on the Sky bus on the way back to the airport to get free transfer to our location where we're picking up our van. So we're going to go pick up the van now and the road trip begins today.
Yeah, you're going to be driving a lot.
Oh, no. We're running on about, what, 4.5 hours sleep?
Very big day. Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thank you.
It's our baby. All right, and we are just ready to go.
I'm driving a van.
Wow, look at that. How cool is this? This is a very, very old school van. You can see it like, look at this. How is it?
Yeah, it's alright. Hey Dad, look at me!
So now we are going to the supermarket.
We need food, toilet paper, essentials really.
Yes, and water. While I'm in the shops, Carmen's gonna have a nap because he is pretty tired from last night as well, and he, like we all know, he hates shopping, and he really stresses me out. So better for all of us if he just have a nap and I can do my job, you know.
Hey guys, so we've picked up the camper van. I'm sitting in it right now. I'm gonna have a quick nap before we hit the road. Dilly's gone into the supermarket to get some groceries so we can stock up on food. And look how the weather has turned out. Nothing but rain. So I don't know if this is typical New Zealand weather or not, but we're not gonna let it get us down. Anyway, I'm gonna have a quick nap, so we'll see you guys on the road.
Anyway, so we stopped to have a coffee, stretch a little bit, so we can keep on the road all safe. Now we're gonna make a coffee. WHANGAREI! Hey!
WHANGAREI! We need to know if we're pronouncing that correctly.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments if we're not. But be nice. We should hear it.
Anyway, we are almost there, going to the waterfalls.
Yes, we just arrived.
We just arrived.
We just arrived, and now we are heading to the Whangarei, I don't know, the waterfalls.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go there now while we still have some sunlight, because that's what we want. We need light because I don't have the best lenses and I can't capture things in the dark. So quick, where are they? Where are they? How'd you like the waterfalls too?
Very nice. A bit cold, I'm honest, but it's worth it.
You recommend it for people?
Yeah, I do definitely recommend it. It's a bit far, but it's on the way.
Yeah.
And you can see more things on the way, like the views of the driving way is very cool, so definitely I will recommend it. And it's free.